7 things to clean this cold and flu season. 1. Germy faucet handles. Dirty hands are always touching kitchen and bathroom faucet handles, and cold and flu viruses may hitch a ride. Those areas are hotspot for yeast, molds, and bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli. Wipe down faucet handles daily with disinfectant spray or wipes. 2. Tainted toothbrush holders. One study found this can be one of the germiest spots in your home. As general rule, put them in the dishwasher or hand wash them with hot soapy water once or twice a week. And if someone in your house is sick, keep his toothbrush separate from everyone else's. If you touch something with cold or flu germs and then touch your mouth, nose, or eyes, you could be next. Number 3. Grimy plastic toys. Kids can get up to 8 colds a year, and those germs can easily spread to their stuff. Clean toys at the end of each month, and when they might be dirtier than usual, like after your kid is sick, you kill many bacteria and viruses on hard plastic toys by washing them with soap and warm water. To really sanitize them, wipe them down with a mix of 1 tablespoon of bleach in 1 quart of water, then let them air dry. Number 4. Theming touch screens. Smartphone or tablet, you're always swiping and tapping. Viruses can easily transfer from the glass of the touchscreen to your fingertips, so it's smart to clean your devices, especially during cold and flu season. You can buy special wipes or check the instruction for the best way to clean the screen. There are devices that use UV lights to disinfect your gadgets. Number 5. Tainted TV remotes. Chances are it's one of the most touched and least cleaned items in your house. Cold and flu germs tend to live longest on plastic and other hard surfaces. To clean it, first clear out debris with dry toothbrush, then use a cotton swab or cotton balls deep in a mild cleaner and squeeze nearly dry to disinfect. You can use the same method on computer keyboards. Number 6. Dirty desk. Offices can harbor many kinds of germs. People pick them up at home, on the bus, or dropping kids off the school, then bring them to work. Those viruses can live on hard surfaces up to 8 hours. That's a full work days. Number 7. Wash your hands. Washing your hands is still one of the surest way you can lower your chances of getting a cold and flu. But you have to do it right. Rub your hands together with soap for at least 20 seconds before you rinse. Don't forget the back of your hands, between your fingers and under your nails. Use hand sanitizers with at least 60% alcohol. Cold and flu grease. Can you tell the difference? Number 1 question. You woke up with sore throat and runny nose. You probably have A. Cold, B. Flu. The answer is letter A, a cold. Still, it could be the flu. Cold and the flu shares a few symptoms. Both are caused by viruses that invade the upper airways. But colds are milder. Fever, body aches, dry coughs, and being very tired are more likely to be the flu. Question number 2. Cold symptoms tend to come on gradually, but the flu starts suddenly. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is letter A. True. You will often feel a coming cold on over a few days, but flu symptoms begin quickly over a period of 3 to 6 hours. Question number 3. Being exhausted is a sign of A. Cold, B. Flu, C. Both. The answer is letter B. Flu. If you feel like you can get out of bed, don't. Serious fatigue along with chills and body aches are signs that you have a flu. So you need plenty of rest. Acetaminophen, naproxen or ibuprofen can help with body aches. Question number 4. You can catch the flu from someone before they look sick. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. The answer is letter A, true. Someone can spread the flu a day before they start to feel sick and up to 7 days after that. So they can pass the virus on before they knew they have it. People with colds are most contagious 2 to 4 days after symptoms show up, but a cold can be catchy for as long as 2 weeks. That's good reason why to wash your hands often during colds and flu season, not just when you are around with someone who looks or sounds sick. Question number 5. You should always stay home from work if you have a cold. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. The answer is letter B, false. It depends on how you feel. If you can't focus on your task, if you're coughing a lot, or if you just feel bad, stay home until you're better. Since you may be contagious, your coworkers may thank you for it. If you don't go to work, cover your coughs and sneezes with a tissues and wash your hands often. If you have the flu, stay home. You probably won't feel like going in and definitely don't want to spread it. Question number 6. Drinking fluids helps the flu but not a cold. A, true. B, false. Answer is letter B, false. With a cold or the flu, fluid helps break up congestions and thin mucus. So drink plenty of liquids like water, herbal tea, ginger ale, and soup. Sports drinks or broth can also be a help. Question number 7. When you have the flu, you can go to work as soon as your fever goes away. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. The answer is letter B, false. Wait at least 24 hours after your fever goes away naturally, without using medicine to bring it down. Before you return, You should always avoid travel, social events, movies, and other public gatherings for 24 hours after your temperature is being normal. Question number 8. Chicken soup may help fight a cold. A. True. B. False. The answer is letter A. True. There's a reason why this home remedy has made the rounds for hundreds of years. It's good for you and keep your fluids up. Study shows that chicken soup may also help fight infection and keep germs from entering the body through the nose. And it seems to thin mucus better than the other warm liquids. Question number 9. When you are most likely to get the flu? A. October. B. April. C. February. The answer is letter C. February. Get flu at any time. But flu season in the US usually lasts from October to May. Most people come down with it between December and February. The best time to get flu vaccine is in the fall, before flu season starts, so your body has the time to build immunity. Better late than never, though getting a flu vaccine anytime during a flu season offers some protection. Question number 10. Which can soothe a sore throat? A. Gargling 1 salt water. B. Suck on an ice pop. C. Both. The answer is letter C. Both. Sucking on an ice chip or an ice pop does double the duty for a cold and sore throat. It numbs your throat and gets fluid into your body. Gargle with a mixture of 1 cup of warm water and half teaspoon of salt. Spit the liquid out afterwards. Warm drinks like tea or a cold meat humidifier may also give you some relief. Question number 11. The average cold lasts for about 2 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks. The answer is letter B. 1 week. It may seem like forever when you have one, but cold usually ends after anywhere from 7 to 10 days. Most stick around from roughly a week. See a doctor if you have been sick for more than 7 days or have a high fever, a severe sinus pain, swollen glands, a cough that brings up mucus blood, shortness of breath. Question number 12. If you have been bad coach, you should have taken antibiotics. A. True. B. False. The answer is letter B. False. Antibiotics won't help a cold. They treat bacterial infection, but viruses cause cold. If your cold brings on a bacterial infection such as one in your ear or sinuses, your doctor may give you antibiotics. If it's plain old sniffles or a sore throat, you can ask your doctor or pharmacist about over-the-counter medicine to help you feel better while your cold runs its course.